Hi students, good morning all of you. Today we have to discussing rational numbers. Rational numbers. First introduction. Digit. What is a digit? The digit is number from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on 9 are called digits. 0 to 9 are called digits. Next one, natural numbers. Natural numbers. All countable numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on etc. are called natural numbers. The set of all natural numbers can be represented by capital N. The set of all natural numbers can be represented by capital N equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural numbers ni ento denote chestam equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next one, whole numbers. What is a whole number? If we include 0 among the natural numbers, then the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on etc. are called whole numbers. The set of all whole numbers can be represented by capital W. The set of all whole numbers can be represented by capital W. Capital W equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Capital W equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Clearly, every natural number is a whole number, but 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. Next one, integers. Integers. What is a integer? All natural numbers and their negatives include 0 known as integers. The set of all integers can be represented by capital IRZ. Capital IRZ equal to set of and so on minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And so on. Next, all natural numbers, all whole numbers are called integers. All natural numbers, all whole numbers, always integers. Next, positive integers. Positive integers I plus. Positive integers set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on is the set of all positive integers. All positive integers and natural numbers are same. All positive integers and natural numbers are same. Next one, negative integers. negative integers I minus equal to set of -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on is the set of all negative integers, is the set of all negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next one, non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on is the set of all non-negative integers. All non-negative integers are and whole numbers are same. All non-negative integers and whole numbers are same. Next one, rational numbers. Rational numbers, the number which are expressed in the form of p by q. The number which are expressed in the form of p by q, comma p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers and q not equal to 0 and q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Are called rational numbers. The number which can expressed in the form of p by q, comma p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. The set of all rational numbers can be represented by capital Q equal to set of p by q, comma p comma q belongs to integers I and q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. Next, all natural numbers are rational numbers. For example, 2, 3, 4 and so on etc. 2 means 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. These numbers are in the form of p by q. These numbers are form of p by q. Next, all whole numbers are rational numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2 and so on. 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1. These numbers also the form of p by q. So all whole numbers are rational numbers. Next, all integers are rational numbers. Example, -3, -2, -5, 6 and so on. -3 by means -3 by 1, -2 by 1, 5 by 1, 6 by 1. These numbers also the form of p by q. These numbers also in the form of p by q. So all integers are rational numbers. All natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers are also rational numbers and fractions also rational numbers. Rational numbers example, -3 by 2, 5 by 6, 0 by 1, 9 by 12, 0 by 1, 9 by 12, 3 and 1 by 2 and so on etc. And 5 by 6, 9 by 7 and so on etc. All these numbers are rational numbers. Next one, properties of a rational numbers. properties of a rational numbers. First one, closure property. Closure property. What is a closure property? If the sum of two whole numbers, if the sum of two numbers is always, if the sum of two whole numbers is always a whole number, then we can say that the set of whole numbers satisfy closure property under addition. Closure property under addition. First one, addition. Addition. Closure property of a rational number under addition. The property of a rational number, the closure property of a rational number under addition. This property can be written as a plus b. Here a comma b are two rational numbers. Here a comma b are two rational numbers. Let us consider, let us take two rational numbers. Let us take two rational numbers, a equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 2 by 3. What happens? What happens? What happens? The sum of two rational numbers. The sum of two rational numbers, a plus b equal to a value 1 by 2 plus b value 2 by 3. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Next, multiplied 3 and 1 is 3 plus the multiplied 2 multiplied 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 by 6, which is a rational number. Which is a rational number. Another example. Take two rational numbers. 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 6. 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 6. That equal to 2 by 5. Plus of minus will become minus. Plus into minus is minus 3 by 6. The LCM of 5 and 6 is, the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Next, 6 is multiplied by 2 is 12 minus 5 multiplied by 3 will become 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3 by 30. 3 table 1 time 10 times equal to minus 1 by 10 is a rational number. Is a rational number. We observe that the sum of two rational numbers, the sum of two rational numbers is again a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under addition. For all a comma b belongs to q, comma a plus b belongs to q. For all a comma b belongs to q, comma a plus b belongs to q. A and b are rational numbers. Their sum also a rational number. Next one, subtraction. 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 Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 5 by 6 comma 2 by 3. 5 by 6 comma 2 by 3. What happens when subtract two rational numbers? What happens when subtract two rational numbers? That is 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. That equal to the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Next one. The multiplied 5 is 5 minus 2 multiplied 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 will becomes 1 by 6 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Another example, take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 5 by 3 comma minus 9 by 4. 5 by 3 comma minus 9 by 4. That equal to 5 by 3 minus of minus 9 by 4. 5 by 3 minus of minus will becomes plus 9 by 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Next, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 plus 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. 20 plus 27 will becomes 47 by 12 is a rational number. Is a rational number. We observe that subtract two rational number is again a rational number. Subtract two rational number again a rational number. So rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. For all a comma b belongs to q. For all a comma b belongs to q, comma a minus b also belongs to q. అంటే a comma b are rational numbers and a minus b also a rational number. అంటే rational numbers are satisfied. Rational numbers are satisfied closed under subtraction. Next, multiplication. Multiplication. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 5 by 3 and minus 9 by 10. 5 by 3 and minus 9 by 10. What happens when multiplied two rational numbers? What happens when multiplied two rational numbers? That equal to 5 by 3 multiplied means into minus 9 by 10 equal to 5 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. 5 table 1 time 2 times, 3 table 1 time 3 times equal to plus into minus means minus 1 3s are 3 by 2 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Other example, take two rational numbers 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 comma minus 12 by 14. 12 by 14. That implies minus 7 by 4 into minus 12 by 14. Minus into minus becomes plus 7 by 4 into 12 by 14. 7 table 7 one time, 2 times. 4 table 4 one time, 12 3 times. 1 3 0, 3 by 1 2 0, 2, which is a rational number. Which is a rational number. We observe that the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. The product of rational numbers is always a rational number. So, rational numbers satisfied closed property under multiplication. Rational numbers are satisfied closed property under multiplication. That is, for all a comma b belongs to q, comma a into b belongs to q. A into b belongs to q. Means rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Next, division. Division. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 3 by 4, comma 2 by 9. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 9. What happens when divide two rational numbers? What happens when divide two rational numbers? That equal to 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 9. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 9 equal to 3 by 4 multiplied the reciprocal of 2 by 9 is, the reciprocal of 2 by 9 is 9 by 2. The reciprocal of 2 by 9 is 9 by 2 equal to the product of two rational numbers is the product of numerator part divided by the product of denominator part. The product of numerator part, the product of 3 multiplied 9 is 27 by 4 multiplied 2 is 8, which is a rational number. Which is a rational number. Another example. Take two rational numbers 5 comma 0. Take two rational numbers 5 comma 0. That equal to 5 divided by 0. That equal to 5 by 0 is not defined. It means the division is not possible to 0. The division is not possible with 0. The division is not possible with 0, which is not a rational number. So, the rational numbers does not satisfy closure property under division. Closure property under division. Next, property of a rational number, commutative property. Next one, commutative property. Commutative property. What is a commutative property? For example, a plus b equal to b plus a into b equal to b into a. Means the commutative property states that the change in the order of two rational numbers on binary operations does not change the result. A plus b equal to b plus a into b equal to b plus a. And binary operations means binary operations are 4. First one plus, minus, into, divided by, or these are binary operations. These are binary operations. Next, commutative property under addition. Commutative property under addition. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 1/4 comma 3/5. 1/4 comma 3/5. What happens when two rational add the two rational numbers? Add two rational numbers. First one, the sum of 1/4 plus the sum of 1/4 and 3/5. The sum of 1/4 and 3/5, that equal to the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Next, multiplied 5 into multiplied 5 and 1 is 5 plus 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. 5 plus 12 is 17/20. 17/20. Next, take reversing order. Take reversing order means 3/5 plus 1/4. The sum of 4 and 5 is 20. Multiplied 4 and 3 is 12 plus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 equal to 17/20. 12 plus 5 will become 17/20. Both cases the result is same. Both cases the result is same. So the addition is commutative in the set of rational number. The addition is commutative in the set of rational numbers. That is, for all a comma b belongs to q, comma a plus b equal to b plus a. అంటే a ప్లస్ b వాల్యూని యాడ్ చేస్తే b ప్లస్ a వాల్యూని యాడ్ చేస్తే బోత్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. అలా ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటే అది కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, లేదా డస్ నాట్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. సో క్లోజర్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ అండర్ ఎడిషన్. రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ అండర్ ఎడిషన్. Next, wait. Next, multiplication. Sorry, subtraction. Subtraction. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 5/3 comma 2/4. Take two rational numbers 5/3 comma 2/4. What happens when subtract two rational numbers? First one, that equal to 5/3 minus 2/4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 4 multiplied 5 is 20 minus 3 multiplied 2 is 6. 20 minus 6 will become 14/12. 2 table 7 times 6 times equal to 7/6. Equal to 7/6. Change the reversing order. 2/4 minus 5/3. 2/4 minus 5/3. The LCM of 4 and 3. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Next, multiplied 3 and 4 is 6 minus multiplied 4 and 5 is 20. Will becomes 6 minus 20 is minus 14/12. 2 table 7 times 4 times, that equal to minus 7/4. Both values are not equal. Both values are not equal. Both values are not equal. Sorry, 6. both values are not equal. So the rational numbers are not satisfied. The rational numbers are not satisfied commutative property under subtraction. That is for all a comma b belongs to q comma a minus b not equal to b minus a. Next one, multiplication. Multiplication. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 2 by 4 comma 7 by 6. 2 by 4 comma 7 by 6. What happened when multiply two rational numbers? First one equal to 2 by 4 into 7 by 6. Ante 2 by 4 multiplied 7 by 6 equal to 2 table 1 time 3 times equal to 1 7 0 7 by 4 3 0 12. Next reversing order. Reversing order, change the reversing order. 7 by 6 into 2 by 4. 2 table 1 time 3 times. 7 1 0 7 by 4 3 0 12. Both cases are the result is same. Both cases are the result is same. Thus the rational numbers are satisfied commutative property under multiplication. For all a comma b belongs to q comma a into b equal to b into a. For all a comma b belongs to q comma a into b equal to b into a. Last one, no, division. Division అంటే commutative property under division. Commutative property under division. Take two rational numbers. Take two rational numbers 5 by 6 comma 3 by 4. Take two rational numbers 5 by 6 comma 3 by 4. What happens when divide two rational numbers? That equal to 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4. That equal to multiplied 5 by 6 multiplied. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. That equal to 5 into 4 by 6 into 3. 2 table 2 times 6 3 times equal to 5 2 0 10 by 3 3 0 9. Next change the reversing order. Change the reversing order equal to 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6 equal to 3 by 4 multiplied. The reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. The reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. That is 3 into 6 by 4 into 5. 2 table 3 times 2 times 3 3 0 9 by 2 5 0 10. The result both cases are not equal. The result are both cases are not equal. So rational numbers does not satisfy commutative property under division. For all a comma b belongs to q comma a divided by b not equal to b divided by a. B divided by a. Let us continue this session in